Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching Fintech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your own investments according to your own research. In our recent video, we have talked about CoinEx futures trading, and I believe CoinEx is a platform that can be useful for many people, especially considering their new futures trading contract, which brings a ton of new features in their platform, as we have discussed in that video. For detailed information on CoinEx platform, you should check that video. In this video, we are going to tell you something very exciting. CoinEx recently announced a video competition, a competition that will give away $5,000 as rewards, calling all traders and content creators. Make a YouTube video about CoinEx futures and win $5,000 CoinEx announced on their Twitter account. The last day of submission is the 30th of June, so watch this video and get to work. That means CoinEx addresses to you who can make a YouTube video about their platform, and they even accept YouTube Shorts. For that video, there are 3 topics to choose from. First, you can talk about your personal experience using CoinEx futures trading. And second, you can prepare a tutorial video about how to use CoinEx futures trading, as we have mentioned in our channel before. And third, you can make a creative introduction or demonstration using CoinEx futures trading. From what I see, CoinEx wants a unique video about their futures trading platform. I mean, they even accept videos as short as 20 seconds. You should get creative. So, once again, the submission will end on the 30th of June. So you got nearly 5 days to come up with something unique. I would personally choose the third topic, which you can get really creative and create something very unique. As you can reach from their Twitter and from their website, your submissions should be made through this link, which directs you to the Google form. So, when you open this link, you will see a set of rules that you should follow in your video. Your video must be public on YouTube during 30th of June to 30th of July. The title of your video must be related to CoinEx futures. The length of your video must be at least 20 seconds, as we have said before. 1 entry per person, repeated submissions will be disqualified, so be sure not to send twice. Entry with invalid CoinEx registration email will be disqualified. And lastly, CoinEx reserves all the rights to interpret, modify, revise, update, or cancel this campaign. Be sure not to disregard any of these rules. What I also like is that they support variety of languages and encourage you to make a video in your own native tongue. There are 15 languages to choose from. As always, CoinEx care about accessibility and ease of use in their platform. So yes, $5,000, and in fact, they are giving that sum. Winner will get $1,500, which is a big sum really. For the second place, they did not shy away and giving $1,000. And lastly, the third place will get $500. But that is not $5,000, is it? Yes, because CoinEx does not want to leave your efforts in vain. They will distribute the remaining $2,000 among the honorable mentions. This competition is a great opportunity, not only to get some money, but also to reach a bigger audience. To help you, I will mention some important information on the CoinEx futures contract trading, so that you get informed about CoinEx and make your video accordingly. The more recent update to the CoinEx motto, making crypto trading easier, implies that CoinEx futures will eventually progress towards simplicity and ease of use. By offering simple futures products, CoinEx will challenge the notion that the trading has a high barrier to entry. Before beginning the trades, when you open the futures webpage, CoinEx customers can quickly understand the essentials through the platform's provided simulated operating courses, which assist them to avoid any unusual risks and trading mistakes. Users can manage their position with ease, thanks to all-inclusive, simple-to-use features offered by CoinEx Futures, including trigger point, stop limit, one-click liquidation, and futures calculator. With more than 100 futures markets available on CoinEx, users can trade both linear and inverse contracts in a variety of trading pairs. There are still some keywords and terms that you should understand before investing with futures CoinEx contracts. The major distinction between spot and futures is how much more capital efficient the latter is for users. Spot traders can only make money when price increases, whereas future traders can make money whether prices are growing or decreasing, as long as the direction is correct. Users who trade with futures contracts require to make a small payment, known as margin, which serves as a security deposit for contract fulfillment. Forced liquidation is another term. A user's position would be forced liquidated once his available margin falls short of covering the maintenance margin. Futures trading has become popular among crypto investors due to the potential for making large profits on a little investment. CoinEx already offers a 100-fold leverage. Leverage can enhance profits greatly. However, at times, it can be really risky. Funding rate is another term. There are two types of futures contracts on the cryptocurrency market: delivery contracts and futures contracts. To ensure that spot price and future price remain essentially constant over the long term, delivery contracts are settled every month or every 3 months. The market price of delivery contracts moves in direction with the spot price as a result of consistent settlements. In contrast, there is no delivery date for futures. These contracts use the funding rate method to reduce the price gap in order to guarantee price stability. As a long-standing crypto platform, CoinEx invested in futures category for a long time ago and has been committed to creating better futures products. So, these are the most highlighted features of the CoinEx futures contract trading so that you can incorporate them in your video. But I would encourage you to gather as much information as you can and get creative to come up with something unique. Once again, big shout out to CoinEx, who will give away $5,000 with their video competition and bring many content creators to light. Lastly, be sure to check CoinEx website and their social media accounts in order not to miss out any such events. That's all for today's video. We will continue to bring you the latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching Fintech. Until next time.